This is the type of salsa that you keep around for the people that like really spicy stuff. My name is Gustavo Romero, and today we're gonna make a creamy habanero salsa. One of my favorite things to eat. This is something you can keep around whenever you make something you want to add a little bit of spice. Just put a couple of spoons of that and then it's good to go. We're gonna start by adding all our vegetables into a pot with water. Garlic, onion, habaneros, and a little bit of carrot. You can use an orange carrot. It will keep the orange color of the salsa. Here in Minnesota, we get a lot of white carrots for some reason. I like to add carrot to my salsa because that gives it a great creamy consistency. And we're gonna let it cook into all the vegetables, especially the carrot. It's nice and soft. All right, we have our vegetables ready. Now we're gonna add them into the blender. We're gonna add a little bit of coriander, salt. We're gonna start blending. We're gonna add our oil. We have Habanero salsa. It smells buttery, almost like creamy, but not creamy. Let's taste. Wow, delicious.